Today, we are talking about our Hilco Red Extra E6013 welding electrode. It's commonly used for repair and maintenance, fabrication, power generation, and shipbuilding. Hilco Red Extra is an all-current type electrode and can be used in all positions. Here, we have set the amperage to approximately 130. Red Extra is known around the world for its red dot, making it one of the most recognizable electrodes in the market. This electrode is characterized by its easy start and stop. This means reliable ignition every time, smooth restart without sticking, perfect control during short welds, and consistent arc behavior. The smooth arc control ensures a stable and responsive welding experience, smooth metal transfer, low spatter, consistent weld bead, giving the welder precise control over the weld pool in every situation. It is also known for its easy slag release. This means minimal effort is needed to clean the weld, saves time between passes, and reduces the risk of slag inclusions. Red Extra is also known for its minimal smoke production, ensuring a cleaner workspace and clear visibility. It delivers a reliable performance every time, giving you the confidence to weld with precision from start to finish.